Hello, welcome to Sherry's Fan Classroom. The mainstream installation methods of fans are shaft horizontal installation and vertical installation, but the installation requirements of each fan are different, and not every installation method is supported. Fans basically support shaft horizontal installation, as the picture shows. Let's look at the centrifugal fans. When the shaft of the centrifugal fan is installed horizontally, pay attention to the direction of the lead outline. The lead outline is facing downwards so as to prevent water from directly entering the terminal gap in outdoor applications. Sometimes the shaft is installed vertically. At this time, attention should be paid. Fans generally require the stator side to face up and the rotor side to face down. Some fans have drip holes on the rotor. If the rotor is installed upwards in the case of condensed water, the water will enter the drip hole and cannot be discharged, so the rotor should be installed downwards so that the condensed water can be discharged, as the picture shows. For backward centrifugal fans with brackets and mounting plates, note that the brackets are on the left and right sides of the fan during installation. If the brackets are on the upper and lower sides of the fan as shown in the second picture, the bracket may be deformed due to long-term operation. Scuffing occurs. Of course, this is not absolute. Some fans can still support any form of installation. If you need to install the rotor facing upwards, or if you don't know whether it meets the requirements, please consult us. Beijing Hengrui has a professional engineer team to serve you. We have many cases of fan installation. If you need it, you can private message me. Follow us for getting more real stuff about fans.